And you know what? Let's give Clown some love. We need that rework for mobile. So let's give him a little bit of that, shall we? You know what? We'll do a yellow. Even though we always forget to use them, that's for sure. Let's see how we do. Alright, and ironically, we get the stage for him too, so not too bad. Okay. Although it took a little bit to load in, and what happened? Oh, we have 2 DCs. That's a little unfortunate, actually. Yeah, well, this might not be the best game. Well, I am a man of my word, like I said. I record it and I go. I don't try to run back and do take-backs. What the hell? Oh, okay. Nice. I don't know what just... Sandbag by the PC, NPC, whatever you want to call it. That's kind of... Okay. I don't know what to say, to be quite honest with you. Hello? Yes? Oh, Steven. You bought 2? Oh, I think you did. Yeah, that's actually perfect. Oh, okay. Where are you? Oh, he moved over. Damn you! Got him. Well. Hello? What is this guy doing? He's just been unlucky, alright? Computer sandbagged him. He's running into me because of this. We're gonna pop this bad boy because we can. Nope, there's the other side. Okay, so that has to be the bot. That's a bit sad, you know that? Okay, well that happened. Yeah, we get it. Oh my god. It's okay. I get to embarrass myself. It's terrible. And they're healing. That's good. Somebody is over here. It was. We'll leave it. There's no point in staying that long. Yo, hey, look at that. Not the best game, I'll tell you that right now. I might do another one, actually. This game is just... I don't think I got a free kick. Come on. Bong. You get to chase... We'll chase you. Oh, Steven. Oh yeah. Got him. Not what I was trying to throw it. That's not it, actually. circles? Running in circles? Yeah, we're running in circles. Hey, good man. In the palace, gonna probably vault over. He did not vault over, he's a madman. There's so many scratch marks. Hey! Oh, give me the grab. Not cool. I want the grab. Well, they're gonna finish that game, so that's okay. Here you go. Come here. Balance landing on Bill. Well, that's on me. I thought he ran with me, not him waiting for me. That's kind of pretty good. Reload. Follow the blood. Oh, right in his dome. You have balance landing, so you do not have dead hard. Alright. Hopefully they can update the AI for the because they are not too great. But they will do gens, so that's part of the main part. Which, yeah, I know it's knowing you get. Yeah, I know games pressure as a kid, right? And you. Let's get this game. Pretty close, it looks like. I kind of wonder if they went to lockers. Or they could be hiding behind the gens. Yeah. Let's go back over. Come on, behavior team. All we're asking to give me yellow clown. I want the speed. Oh, we keep running. Is he dead? That's a good question. Are you dead? Yes, he is. And then in the middle. Ooh. Middle and left. Actually, if they get that, I have somewhat of a 3-gen, so that's okay. But again, like I said, this game might not go too well. We did get the bots. So. At least we didn't have DS. That's the only plus side, to be honest. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Besides jumping over and running around in circles. He is running away. Jump over again? Okay. Nice. He's going to be forced to drop it. Exactly. Nice. Thank you, hindered. You. Let's get the reload now. Five seconds feels like forever. But alright. There you are, buddy. So back side of this building. Oh, he actually just killed himself. Come on, my dude. Oh, come on. That was going to be one of those games. Well, you know what? I don't want to be like this, so I'm just going to cut it, and I will catch you guys at the end screen, okay? Wait. Okay, well, alright. He found the hatch, actually, so he got to get away. But let's try it again, like I said, and hopefully no bots. So let's give it another. Alright, so suffocation pit, ironically since we're playing clown, no pun intended. Let's see, there should be somebody back up, there you go, 2 people. Oh, no, we might need to go up there because we'll make it. Just throw her over now. Double humans. Cool. Oh. Right there. We're ready it as well. Let's pick her up. Okay, cute. Now they're trying. That's good. So medkit, nothing, flashlight, and a toolbox. Good to know. Nice. Get borrow time? Yeah, okay, so Megan has borrowed time. Good to know. Got into it. Ooh, she didn't drop it. She's got some guts. Hello. I'm okay with that. I'm going to get some pressure now. I might need a heal, but that's okay. Drop it. Ooh, the sandbag. I'm so sorry to reload. No. Ooh, Spantro or resistance. Wow. How did she got the blind? Like legit, she actually got that full blind. Impressive. That was actually very impressive, like that. It's so narrow. Back. Somebody's right there because of my flick. What the? Okay. No, come on now. Give me. Come on. Okay. Iron Will. Maybe Dead Hard for distance. Either one, but whatever. See, now we got a little game, huh, guys? Probably shooting each other because they were on that back side, so let's get her. Yep. Let's get her over here. It's probably going to be an easier. Oop, they're over there. Don't mind. I think somebody just ran past me actually, but that's okay. Where did he go now? away. That's okay. Unhook happened. Stuck. Lovely. What are you doing? I'm confused. Okay, so Kate might be a potato. So the fully healed, a 3-man committed. Alright, good to know. We can take this. We can keep our 3-man on this side. If I got stuck, it's like I'm too thick. Uh-oh, who's this? Megan? Little Grimby. Hello. That was a really fast 360. Okay. How do you do? Whoa, we're getting some bad drop. Whoa, because of the hindrance. Let's go ahead, Bill. Where'd you go? What the hell? Oh, really? Oh, come on. Don't be that. Really? You're just gonna... Okay. I thought that bug was gone. Oh, thank God she fell off. No! Oh, thank God I got it. She did it a little bit too early. Thank goodness. You be trying though. Different pallets. There's one in the far back left. Give that hard. Not that hard. It's an awkward 360. Got it. Cool. Middle. I think both. Oh, it's blending. She kind of just lost her track of where to go. I'll take it. The only good thing is they're not working on gems, so they're busy healing each other, and that's what's missing them up too. They're getting the unhooks, which is good, but they're just healing. Who is this? Is it Bill? Somebody was here. Somebody was here. Oh, wait. Hey, it is Bill. Hi, Bill. Is that Megan with the iron wolf following me? Oh, Megan. I'll happily leave her slug because I can. You will go after Bill. Come here, Bill. He's taking us for a ride. Where'd he go? Wait, what the hell? Y'all see this, right? Huh. Wait, Did he go below me? Oh, it's Penny. I was like, why do I hear something? Oh, well. Cool. I thought I was crazy. It's like maybe the game's bugged out and I'm just being dumb. Alright, cool. Bonk. Hopefully the bill goes back to pick up Megan because we left her butt cheeks way back there. She's still on the floor. Oh no. Oh, he's self-carrying. Wow. Oh, Megan. Wait a minute. I wonder if she's in the bottom, actually. Hold on. Oh, I found a wild bill. It's even better. Yep. Wait, who would have? What? Say what? No, gotta get someone that was lagging. That would be me again. That was interesting to say the least, huh, guys? Jesus. Sorry about that. I'm not lagging on purpose, I'll tell you that right now. I am not lag switching like that. Well, there you are. Okay, cool. She moved a little bit farther away. She had adrenaline. She was waiting by the door hopefully after I kicked the gates. Little big brain right there. Good try. Good game. Gamers right there. Beautiful, look at that. Double pip and all red. Nice, nice, nice. But with that being said, that will be the end of it. Oh, I would try to stay on the personal schedule of doing the uploads. But to you guys, do take care of yourself, stay healthy. Try not to go insane with the world on fire. And I will catch you guys next time. Take care.